Almost.
What's up, guys? Shut the fuck up. I'm trying to make a video. I'm trying to do a fucking intro here. Okay? That's yours, not mine. So shut your bitch ass. But yeah, what's up, guys? It's sad video, but today's a sad video, if you guys can tell by the title. Yeah, I got rod knock. I got rod knock in this. Unfortunately, I don't know how, but yeah. So what I did was I was driving it and everything sounded fine. There was no really rattling, and I go to the gas station and I hear a slight like ticking when I'm decelling, and I'm like, I wonder what that is. So I'm listening to it and I'm like, I don't think that's rod knock, because I literally had my motor for only 3 months. So then I'm like, well, whatever, that's not knock. So then I come home, look under the engine bay, don't really pull anything off, and I don't see anything loose. So I'm like, man, what the hell? Please don't be knock. So I'm like praying it's not knock. So wake up in the morning, I go to work, everything sounds fine, which is weird. I go to work, I come home, so I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna start pulling stuff off and seeing what the problem is. So then when I started pulling stuff off, I pulled the valve cover off, checked the head, because it sounded like it was coming from the top of the motor. Oh my fucking god, your big ass muffler.
Look how big this bitch is, man.
But anyways, I pull the valve cover off and I check, and I'm like, well, I don't really see anything loose. Check the exhaust, nothing's loose. Check the wastegate, nothing's loose. So then I'm like, man, this is really pissing me off. So then I put everything back together, and this is what it sounds like. So yeah, I'm like fucking freaking out. I'm like, great, now I got knock. Why the fuck do I have knock? So I hit up Justin at Freak Tune. I hit up my builder, Jordan Keefover. I hit up a whole bunch of people, and I'm like, dude, there's no way I should be having knock. Because 1, it's a brand new motor. 2, I didn't really put that much stress on it. 3, I have a bunch of oil because of the balance shaft delete. So I'm just overall confused. So maybe it's a motor, something could happen, something could come loose. So I don't know, I'm just really upset that it has knock. So right now I can't drive it. Look at that fucking bird shit, god damn. So yeah, I can't drive it right now. I haven't started it since I got home today. I started it yesterday. That's when that video I showed you guys right now. Yeah. So like I was saying, I don't know what it can be. Well, I do know what it can be. It's just upset that it has knock. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a little update. That's why I haven't really posted anything. I was literally gonna post a roll night soon, or a car review. Well, I might still post his car review. I might do a car review with him soon. But yeah, I'm just a little upset. That's all, I don't know if you guys seen my TikTok. That's kind of been going on around right now. But yeah, overall, just a little disappointed after doing this much to it. There's no reason why I should be doing this, but we pay to play, man. But just to see if I can sell some stuff to try to help, because I did just get slicks, or not slicks, I got some burner wheels to go out and stuff. They're semi slicks. They're not too crazy, but I did get something to try to to try to use for roll nights and stuff. You know, they got a little bit of wear, but I'm gonna repaint them. They're authentic SSRs. You know, where's the right here, SSR SSF. So the real SSRs, 17x8 plus 38 with a 245 R888 on it. I just got those, and then like a couple days later, this happens. So kind of upsetting, but I do need to save some money. So if anybody's out there and you want to buy a set of 17x8 plus 38 with 245 40 17 R888s, I'm in SAC. But yeah, if you guys want to, if anybody out there wants these, you know, shoot me like 800 or best offer, because the tires were pretty pricey and the wheels they're all right. But yeah, I'll post them up on my Instagram soon. I'm just upset that shit happened, but you know, it is what it is. So I'm gonna continue to just try to save up some money, like I said, get a meth kit, try to just fully get like all the fueling I can get, and try to get better mods that I have right now, because I want to get a better intake manifold. This is a ported and VTCS delete intake manifold, and then an excess power fucking exhaust mani. So I want to see if I can try to get a little bit better manis, but you know, it is what it is. So yeah, if you guys like this little short video, it's a little sad, but you know, I'll be pushing out more content soon. I got a car review coming up with my dad's car, and then I'll be also reviewing Shaq's car. So yeah, hope you guys like this little video. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.